For centuries, people have been fascinated by the concept of sexual attraction. The question of why women are attracted to strong and handsome men has been a topic of debate among scientists, anthropologists, and psychologists. While there may be many factors that contribute to this preference, evolution is perhaps the most compelling explanation. In this script, we will delve into the evolutionary theories that explain why women have evolved to prefer strong and handsome men. The evolutionary theory of sexual selection provides an explanation for why women are attracted to strong and handsome men. Sexual selection is the process by which certain traits are passed down from one generation to the next through differential mating success. Essentially, individuals who possess traits that are deemed attractive by potential mates are more likely to reproduce and pass those traits on to their offspring. Over time, this leads to the evolution of specific traits that are considered desirable. One of the most well-known theories of sexual selection is the handicap principle. This principle suggests that certain traits, such as physical strength and attractiveness, are costly to develop and maintain. In order to develop and maintain these traits, individuals must invest significant resources and energy. Therefore, individuals who possess these traits are likely to be healthy and genetically fit. By choosing to mate with these individuals, women can increase the probability that their offspring will be healthy and genetically fit as well. In addition to the handicap principle, there are other evolutionary explanations for why women prefer strong and handsome men. For example, some researchers suggest that physical attractiveness is an indicator of good health and fertility. Women who are attracted to strong and handsome men may be selecting mates who are more likely to produce healthy offspring that can survive and thrive in their environment. Furthermore, there is evidence to suggest that women are attracted to men who possess specific physical traits because these traits are associated with the ability to provide resources and protection. For example, men who are physically strong are better equipped to provide protection from predators or other threats. Men who are attractive may be more successful in their careers and therefore able to provide more resources for their offspring. In conclusion, there are several evolutionary theories that explain why women are attracted to strong and handsome men. These theories suggest that physical attractiveness and strength are indicators of good health, fertility, and the ability to provide resources and protection. By choosing mates who possess these traits, women may increase the probability that their offspring will be healthy, successful, and able to survive in their environment. It is important to note, however, that not all women are attracted to strong and handsome men, and not all men who possess these traits are successful in finding mates. Attraction is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that is influenced by a wide range of factors, including culture, personal experience, and individual preference. While evolutionary theories provide a compelling explanation for why women are attracted to strong and handsome men, it is only one piece of the puzzle. Ultimately, the reason why women are attracted to strong and handsome men may never be fully understood. However, by exploring the evolutionary theories that underpin this attraction, we can gain a deeper understanding of the complex and fascinating phenomenon of sexual attraction. Subscribing and liking the video are a great help. Thanks for watching.